This video is sponsored by my company, Carnivore Companion. Our new website is live on Sunday, August 15, 2021, featuring our newest product, Tacollagen, a no BS taco seasoning with simple ingredients including collagen. Check out the link below for more info. To start our taco soup, we really need to start with our toppings. Take a lime and quarter it. Next up is the optional yet obligatory cilantro. Wrap your soapy leaves up into a roll and chiffonade it. If you don't like it because of how it tastes, it's okay to have the taste buds of a toddler. I'm not judging you. Next up, we need to grab a grater with small holes on it. Take about 1 ounce of sharp cheddar cheese and fast forward shred it. This is the most efficient way to save time. Now, grab a mixing bowl and slap in 1/4 cup of sour cream along with the juice of 1/4 of a lime to add a little extra acidity, maybe about 1 teaspoon of your thinly sliced cilantro, and finally about a half teaspoon of your favorite smoky seasoning or some smoked paprika. Give this a solid mixing with a spoon and refrigerate this. Finally, cook some bacon as fast as you can. I just use the snap method and it typically cooks it pretty quickly. Look at this dancing plate of toppings. Try not to eat those while we do the next step. Now, for the star of the show, which is Tacollagen, my no BS taco seasoning with collagen. You'll need the co-star, which is 1 pound of ground beef. I'd like you to take your time while breaking up your ground beef so that you'll have a good start for when you go to mash it to have a smaller grain. Set your heat to medium-high and begin to brown. While it's browning, measure out 2 cups of beef stock. I like to break up my beef with the back of a spoon to get it more fine. Drain your now browned beef as good as you can and add it back into your pan along with a full pack of Tacollagen and your beef stock. We're just looking for the beef stock to come to a simmer since the ground beef is already cooked. Typically when I use Tacollagen, I like to cook the ground beef, drain the grease, and add it in along with about 1/4 cup of water. It definitely makes a solid taco, but it also makes a very solid taco soup. Feel free to add your toppings however you like. I add a big spoon of my smoky sour cream, then surround that with some of that sharp cheddar we meticulously shredded earlier. Now I added just a good pinch of my crispy bacon atop the sour cream. Then I sprinkled over some of my soapy leaves, and finally a nice wedge of lime for when I will inevitably want some acid on this. Now time for our B-roll moment of silence. Okay, finally time to dig in. I just want a taste of the soup and the beef first to see if the Tacollagen did its job, and I'm happy to report that it definitely did. Now let's just mix everything in and enjoy our warm bowl of deliciousness by hitting that like button and subscribing.